In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monetary field in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the apps page where you can view the available Odoo applications. From there, scroll down until you find the customization section. In that section, click on Studio to open Odoo Studio, which is the tool used to customize forms, fields, and layouts without needing to write code. After Studio opens, go to the form view where you want to add the monetary field. This is important because the field needs to be placed in the specific form where users will enter or view the value. Once you are in the correct form, look at the Studio panel and click the Add tab. This area contains the available field types you can insert into the form. Under New Fields, find the monetary field and drag it to the location where you want it to appear on the form. The monetary field is designed specifically for money-related values, so it displays amounts in a currency-aware format, rather than as a plain number. At this point, Odoo may prompt you to add a currency field. This happens when you are creating the first monetary field on a model that does not already have a currency field available. If that prompt appears, choose the option to add the currency field. This is necessary because Odoo needs a currency reference in order to correctly display and manage monetary values. Once the currency field has been added, go back to the Add tab in Studio and drag the monetary field onto the form again. Then, open the field properties and enter the label you want users to see. For example, you can name the field Budget. Choose a label that clearly describes the purpose of the amount, especially if the form will be used by multiple people or teams. Next, in the monetary field properties, configure which currency field should control the currency shown with the value. This setting connects the amount to the correct currency, which is what makes the field function properly as a monetary field, instead of a regular numeric field. After that, check the field on the form and confirm that the new budget field displays a monetary value together with its currency. This quick review helps make sure everything is working as expected before you leave Studio. When you're satisfied, click Close in the upper right corner to exit Studio. Odoo saves the field configuration when Studio is closed. Your monetary field is now created in Odoo. Thanks for watching.